Hello friends, welcome to Ansu CodeVita channel. In last video we saw how to create a form on our web page. So today we are going to see how we can insert an image on our web page. So to do that, type an image tag. In that we have to give the source of the image by typing src. So to give the name of the image, let me give the image from my device. I will copy the image and paste it on the desktop where my HTML file is. Both HTML file and the picture is on the same folder. So open the code again and give the name of that image with a Mickey Mouse .png and save this and refresh it. You will see that the images appear on our web page. So we can also change it size by width or height. So typing width is equal to 100 pixel. By default it will take a pixel. We can also change to centimeter, meter. Refresh it and you will see that the size of the image is of 100 pixel, and height we can also change it by height, typing height and giving 200 pixel. And refresh it. You will see that the image is of 100 pixel and height of 200 pixel. So give it in a paragraph image tag and create another paragraph and give the name of the image in between the paragraph, Mickey Mouse, and save it. Here you can see that the images appear on our web page and with the name. And we can also give the image from the Google by giving the link to the image, typing a Wikipedia on a Google and click on wikipedia.org and typing my favorite image of a cartoon. So I search for cartoon image and scroll down for looking a beautiful image. So I get one beautiful image with a horse, and so I right click on it and copy the image address. Click on copy the image address and paste it in the source of the image. And save this and come to our website and refresh it. You will see that the images appear on our web page with the horse is running. So let's go to the other tag. So our next tag is a link. We can link one page to the another page by giving the link to that. So to do that, let's create a paragraph. In between paragraph we can give the link by using a tag. A stands for anchor tag. In that a tag we can give href, means hyperlink reference, to which we have to link our page. So I am linking to the Google home page. So I am giving http://www.google.com and typing a text in between the a tag. Click here to go to Google and save it and refresh it. You will see that a link is appear on our web page. So click on the link. It will redirect to the Google home page, as we can see. We can also give a link to the image. So let's see how we can give. So creating a paragraph, in between a paragraph link to that page. So now I'm giving the reference to the Wikipedia website. So typing http:// www.wikipedia.org, and in between I'm giving the image, and image source is same as previous mickeymouse.org, which is on my desktop. .png, and save this and refresh it and come back to our website, and here you can see that the images appear with a link to the Wikipedia. Click on it and it will direct to the Wikipedia website. We can also give link to our page which is on our device, any other file. So to do that, we have to create a paragraph. In that we have to use an anchor tag and give the reference to the file. So let's create a file on our desktop, creating a new text file, and give name to it code.html, and open it with Notepad and type some text with a hello world, and save this and close the tab, and then go to our previous code and give the link to that by typing the file name code.html, and type a text in between the a tag. Go to our next page and save this, and again come back to our website, and here you can see that a link is appear on our web page. When we click on this, it will redirect to our web page code.html. So come back to our web page, and we can just copy this image link and paste it down for creating a more image link. Just simply paste it down by Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. We have pasted 5 more Mickey Mouse image with a link. So save this and refresh it. You will see that many Mickey Mouse image with a link is created on our web page. Each link is redirected to the wikipedia.org website, and we can also saw that at many websites they have a link from bottom to top. We can also create that. So to create that, let's first create a paragraph, and close the paragraph. In that we have to give an anchor tag, a tag, and close the a tag. In that we have to create a reference from the bottom to top. So to do that, let's first create a ID to our first tag of a body. So ID is mostly used in CSS and Java for the styling and attractive. So typing ID and giving name to it with a top, and giving the same name to this reference with a hash, and typing some text in between the tag. Go to top and save this and refresh it. You will see that a link is created at the bottom of our page, and when we click on it, it will redirect it to the top of the page. We can also create a link from bottom to the any other page, any other image. So to do the type ID and give the third Mickey Mouse, typing third, and create a paragraph and close paragraph. In that give a link by a tag and reference that hash, and then third, and type a text. Go to third Mickey Mouse and save this and refresh it, you will see that a link is created below the web page. At the bottom of our web page, go to the third Mickey Mouse. When we click on it, it will redirect it to the third Mickey Mouse. This is the first Mickey Mouse, and this is second, and this is third. So if you have any doubt, comment me below, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next videos.